It's very easy to feel like the presence of queerness and the sort of power of queerness has grown in the last decade or so. And I absolutely do think it's true that, acceptance and quote unquote tolerance has definitely grown in that time. But I also think it's very easy for venues, brands, companies, literally everyone to slap a rainbow sticker on something and imagine that that's what queering a space really means.
Public spaces are not neutral. Public spaces are dominated by certain dominant groups within society. They are shaped by the male gaze and they are designed for use by particular groups.
Particularly heteropatriarchy. It's also embodied by architecture, by sculptures, and a lot of sculptures that you can find in public space are representing this white heteronormativity.
Queering public space is making a space that feels like it's equitable and safe to be in.
We need to start thinking about either with new spaces or with reconfiguring spaces, how we design into them this inclusivity, this diversity, this safety, and the utilizing of every citizen who has and ought to have access to it.